Would you like to take your espresso with you? Our most affordable option, the NeoFlex, lets you do that while leaving your grinder at home. But for an uncompromised experience, pack a grinder in either the Pro 2 or the Classic. There are many lightweight and packable solutions for making espresso, even lattes, wherever you find yourself. An immersion heater and dual-wall tumbler is among the most compact solutions for brew water and preheats. The Nanofoamer from Subminimal is one of the most convenient ways to texture milk. For best-in-class espresso on the go, look no further than the Flair 58 Plus. In 10 minutes or less, you could heat your brewing water right inside the chamber. When space and weight is negotiable, pack a few of these items for the best possible experience. The 58 battery pack can power your 58, as well as 24-volt grinders such as the ones you see here. And the Subminimal Nanofoamer Pro will give you that silky, milky, hands-free, and perfect every time. So what are you waiting for? Take your pick and let's go. Flair Espresso. Your espresso on the go.